Good morning, class. It is Friday, May 1st. Okay, so first of all, I want to thank everybody who has signed up for the Colony Report. I do notice that there are a few of you that are still not signed up, and that research is due on Monday, so you want to make sure that you've signed up in the document. Maybe you have and you just forgot to put your name on the document. Okay, so moving on. Today in reading we have Lion the Witch in the Wardrobe questions. Just like at the end of Rigid Terabithia and Bud Not Buddy, we have some questions that we would like for you to answer about the whole book. So that is going to be in a book widget. You really need to read the directions and make sure that you're answering every single part. You're going to also be graded on sentence mechanics, grammar, capitalization, punctuation, are things spelled correctly? Are you writing complete sentences? It's worth 45 points, and I urge you to make sure that you are writing complete sentences and answering every part of the question. Okay, we're going to have a new art project. It is called the Coat of Arms project. It's inspired by the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. It's basically kind of creating like a shield. We are going to go over that today at our 2 o'clock Zoom meeting. There's a Pear Deck or a slideshow that you're going to be watching, and it's full of information. So at 2 o'clock, I thought that I would go over that and answer any questions. It's due on May 15th, so we need to make sure that we do a really nice job because we have plenty of time, and it's worth about 25 points. Anyways, we'll go over that. Since we're having a meeting at 2, we will not be, I know the other day I mentioned that maybe we'd have a meeting at 10 this morning. We will not have a meeting at 10. The math lesson today does not require that. It's more of a review. So I hope that you all watched the Cabrillo School message. We really do miss you, and I hope you were able to see that. I sent it to your parents as well, and it was posted yesterday in the stream. Okay, so Jupiter grades. I just want to talk about this because we're doing a lot of assignments every week, and sometimes what I do is I try to post all the grades that I can in Jupiter grades before those Friday notifications go out to parents. But sometimes assignments are done late. So if you're turning in assignments late, and that's okay if you are, but if you are, then in Jupiter grades, it gets marked like it's missing or it's not done yet. So if you do turn in something late, I get it in Google Classroom, I grade it, but then sometimes I forget that I've already put it into Jupiter Grades. So if you notice that things are missing and you're like, but it's here, it's in my Google Classroom, you gave me an 8 out of 10 or I got a 10, can you please update it, then I will. But I do want you to be polite in those kinds of messages, just letting me know. There's a lot going on, I'm sure, as you know. There's lots of messages going back and forth and lots of screen time, so which for both of us, for all of us. So moving on, the question for today. So my question for today is actually to ask you to come up with some questions to help me with the videos in the following weeks. I'm kind of running out of ideas, and so if you have a cool question that you think I could pose, that would be great. So that's your question for today. All right, I will see everybody at 2 o'clock, which, by the way, for the art project, it won't be posted until around 2 o'clock, so that way I have a chance to explain it to you because it is a very detailed project. Okay, so that slideshow art assignment will be posted with the Zoom link around 2 o'clock. So look for it in the stream, in the art topic. Okay, anyways, all right, I'll see you at 2 o'clock. All right, bye.